Slow Internet 3G 4G changing APN after Get Fast Internet change. Internet speed apply new APN settings for Android phone. Let's see full settings step by step in this video. Go to Phone Settings, SIM and Network Settings. Choose SIM card for APN settings. Access point name. Click on plus icon, add new APN. Tab on name. Tab on APN. Username. Server. MCC or MNC is area code not set. Authentication type. PAP/CHAP. APN type. APN protocol. IPv4, IPv6. APN roaming protocol. IPv4. Now save all settings after check your phone internet speed. Please subscribe my channel, like, share.